In this video, you'll learn how to insert an image in Mailchimp. This process is essential for enhancing the visual appeal of your email campaigns and making your content more engaging. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Ensure that you are on the correct page by looking for the Mailchimp logo at the top left corner of the screen. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the button labeled Create. This button is typically found in the upper right section of the screen. After clicking, you will be directed to a new screen that presents various options for creating campaigns. Next, find the option that says Design Email and click on it. This action will take you to a design interface where you can customize your email. You should see different design options available for your campaign. After accessing the design interface, you may need to close any introductory pop-ups by clicking on the Close button. This will allow you to access the full design area without distractions. Ensure that you are on the main design page before moving on. Now, click on the Design Email option again to open the email design settings. This step is crucial as it allows you to select the template you want to use for your email. At this point, choose a template that best fits your campaign needs. The templates are typically displayed in a grid format. Select a template by clicking on it and then look for the Apply button to confirm your selection. Once the template is applied, proceed to click on the Image option in the Design panel. This action will open a menu allowing you to add images to your email. You can recognize this panel by its image-related icons and options. Now, drag the image element into the center of your email layout. Positioning is key, so ensure that it is placed where you want it to appear. You should see a highlighted area indicating where the image will be dropped. After positioning the image, click on the Add button to proceed. This action will typically display your Content Studio, where you can select images from various sources. Next, click on an image from your Content Studio. This action will initiate the selection process, allowing you to review your available images. Ensure you have a good internet connection, as larger images may take longer to load. Choose the image you want to insert into your campaign. You may need to browse through your files or image library. Take note of the file size, as larger images could affect upload time and overall email performance. Finally, click on the Insert button to add the selected image to your email. After this action, you should see the image appear in your email layout. Confirm that the image is displayed correctly before proceeding to finalize your email design. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.